Little Angel Reader.
Little Angel Reader.
English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 37. Max likes oranges. Do you like oranges? How many oranges do you have, Max?
I have one orange.
What color is it?
It's orange.
It's orange. Your orange is orange.
My orange is orange.
Max's orange is orange. Do you like oranges? Max has one orange. He likes oranges. He likes to eat oranges. The boy wearing a red t-shirt is holding an orange. The boy wearing a red t-shirt is holding an orange. Max is wearing a red t-shirt, blue pants, and white socks. Max is wearing a red t-shirt, blue pants, and white socks. T-shirt, t-shirt. Pants, pants. Socks, socks. Max is eating an orange.
Yummy.
Yummy. Is it juicy?
I'm eating an orange.
Max is eating an orange. Max, this orange is for us, for me and you. I want to eat this orange. Mmm. Mmm. It is so good. This orange is so juicy. I love oranges. Do you like oranges?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Max, what are you eating?
I'm eating an orange.
An orange. Orange. Max. How old are you, Max?
I'm 7.
7. Max, where do you live?
I live in Russia.
Max lives in Russia. Do you speak English?
Yes.
Do you speak Russian?
Yes.
Yes. Can you say orange in Russian? How do you say orange in Russian?
Апельсин.
Апельсин means orange in Russian. Ты любишь апельсины?
Да, люблю.
Max is eating oranges for the first time. 1. First. Max is eating oranges for the first time. 1. First. The pelicans are eating fish. The pelican is asking for a fish. He is dancing. There are 2 pelicans here. They are from a circus. Look, look, he is dancing. The pelican wants fish. He is hungry. And now, let's read a book about an orange, a pear, an apple, and a bear.
Orange Pear, Apple Bear by Emily Gravett.
Orange, Pear, Apple, Bear by Emily Gravett.
Orange. Pear.
Orange, pear.
Apple. Bear.
Apple, bear.
Orange Pear, Apple Bear.
Orange, pear, apple, bear.
Apple, orange, pear, bear.
Apple, orange, pear. Bear, bear.
Orange, pear, apple, bear.
Orange, pear, apple, bear.
Apple, bear, orange, pear.
Apple, apple, bear, orange, pear.
Orange, bear.
Orange, bear. Orange, bear.
Pear, bear.
Pear, bear.
Apple, bear.
Apple, bear.
There.
There. Thank you, Max. Who ate the orange, the pear, and the bear? Oh, who ate the orange, the pear, and the apple?
The bear.
The bear did. Who ate the orange, the pear, and the apple?
The bear.
The bear did.
The doctor is wearing glasses. The doctor is wearing glasses.
The yellow book is wearing glasses. The yellow book is wearing glasses.
The children are not wearing glasses. The children are not wearing glasses.
They're holding hands. They're holding hands.
Where are the glasses?
They're on the book.
Where are the glasses? They are on the book. The woman is wearing a blue hat. The woman is wearing a blue hat. The sunflower is wearing sunglasses. The sunflower is wearing sunglasses. The cat is wearing pink glasses. The cat is wearing pink glasses. What is the man wearing? The man is wearing a tie. A tie, ties. A tie, ties. This man is wearing a yellow tie. This man is wearing a yellow tie. What color is his tie? What color is his tie? His tie is red. His tie is red. I see black shoes and a green tie. I see black shoes and a green tie. Max is sitting on the floor. He is wearing a blue hat and a blue t-shirt. What color is Max's t-shirt? His t-shirt is blue. What color is Max's t-shirt? His t-shirt is blue. Is the man wearing a hat? No, he isn't. He is Max's coach.
I wear a hat in winter. I wear a hat in winter.
The children are learning breaking. Max loves breaking. Max loves breakdancing. Max loves breaking. Max loves breakdancing. Max also loves swimming in the swimming pool. Look at Max. What is he doing? Do you know? Go, Max, go. You can do it. Look at that. Max, you look like a sea monster, sea creature. Look at Max, he's swimming. Let me take a picture of you, Max. Are you cold? I am cold. I am not cold. Are you cold? I am cold. I am not cold. Max, are you cold? Can you hear me? Max, are you cold, honey? He can't hear me. The woman is writing something. The woman is writing something. She is working on her laptop. She is working on her laptop. A laptop. Laptop. The young man is wearing a shirt, jeans, and glasses. The young man is wearing a shirt, jeans, and glasses. How many white dresses are there? How many white dresses are there? How many white dresses are there? There are 4 white dresses. How many white dresses are there? There are 4 white dresses. I am wearing sunglasses. I am wearing sunglasses. They are both wearing glasses. They are both wearing glasses. Both. He and she. Both. He and she. The father and his baby son are sleeping. The father and his baby son are sleeping. Max is my son. Son. I am wearing sunglasses. It's summer. I am wearing sunglasses. It's summer. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. Sun. Sun. Yellow sun. His son. Yellow sun. His son. Sun. Sun. Good morning. What season is it now? Yes, it's fall. It's autumn. And it's morning. Look at the sunny day. Look at this sunny morning. Max swims in the morning. Max swims in the afternoon. In the afternoon. Max likes to swim in the afternoon. He swims in the evening. In the evening. Who swims in the evening? Max does. Max swims in the evening. Thank you for learning English with us. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.